Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to search for a specific element that lies within the numpy array. So for it, first of all, we need to create first our numpy array. So how we can do that? You need to import numpy module, import numpy as numpy. But this line can generate an error. This importing function can generate an error. So how you can solve it out? You need to go to File, then New Project Setup, and then you need to click on Settings for New Project. And here you need to select Python 3.9, okay, and then we need to click on this plus sign. And here you need to write numpy, and after numpy you just click on install package. As I have already installed this package, so I'm not going to install it again. Okay, after the installation it is going to work fine. So how this line used to work, this import line or import function will import numpy module in our project. Okay, and as numpy means it is the object of this numpy library. With the help of this numpy we can access this numpy. So we can say that it is an access variable. We can write any other thing, like if we want to write a, still it is okay for us. Okay, it's not a problem. This is for our convenience that we used to write an MPI. Okay, now we need to write any variable, that is array underscore 00. It is of our own choice. The name ARR underscore 00 can be anything. You can write ABC, XYZ, or even your name. It is not going to affect anything. Okay, why we are supposed to create this variable? Because we want to store all the values generated or all the answer generated on the right hand side, and they all will be shifted to this array underscore 00 variable. It is just like a data pocket to store some data. Okay, and this is equal to sign is not for equalizing, it is an assignment operator. Assignment mean it will take all the values on the right hand side and put it inside this variable. Okay, here we will write an mpi dot array. As I have already explained multiple times, this thing that we just need to take the data like this. Okay, like in the form of lists. So this array function will create array, okay, from this data which is in the form of list, and inside its parameters brackets. Okay, these round brackets, and this is list. Okay, within this square bracket, okay, all this is lists. So array function will convert all these lists into the numpy array. And nmpi.array means that array function belongs to nmpi. nmpi, okay, and then all of these things, that is the numpy array, will be stored in array underscore 00. Okay, now we need to write print ARR underscore 00, and it will print our array. Okay, now we will run it out. We can see yes, it is running properly. Now we need to search it out. Okay, so we will write an mpi dot where. This is our function. Where function will search for specific element within this. Okay, now we can change it to 1 to 1. Okay, so we will find ARR underscore 00 is equal to 1. Okay, now pay concentration that what is the meaning of this line. Where function, okay, where function will decide that, okay, that it will first take the whole what's called as this numpy array, then is equal to means that it is the comparison operator. It will compare all the numpy array and find the index on which there is 1. Like we know that at 0 index and at one index, it is 1. Okay, or if we consider it as 1, then it is 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if we consider it as the 0 index, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we need to write print double e here underscore 0, 0 is equal to 1, print double e. Okay, now we need to numpy dot where. Okay, here we can see it says 0 and 2. Okay, so why it is saying, because it is taking this as it's 0 index, 0, 1, and 2. So it is 0 and 2. On 0 and 2 it is 1. Okay, and what about 5? If we want to search for number 5, then it will give us the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 at index 4. Okay, so it gives us index 4. So in this way we can search for a specific element within the pycharm. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.